In the hustle and bustle of today's India, amidst the soaring skyscrapers and buzzing streets, there's something powerful growing on the horizon: a brighter, sustainable future. Welcome to the dawn of India's solar revolution, green energy megaprojects that are keeping the subcontinent's skies cleaner, its energy greener. These monumental solar energy farms, stretching across acres and acres of land, serve a dual purpose: harnessing the untamed power of the sun and securing a more sustainable future, free of smoke and smog. Join us as we embark on a remarkable journey, unpacking how India, home to 18% of the world's population, is investing heavily in life-altering solar farms to meet her future energy demands sustainably. It's not just about energy. It's about an enlightened perspective of growth and prosperity for the generations to come. India's green revolution is here, illuminating lives, one solar panel at a time.